sa Vancouver Aquarium.
I think it's Daddy's aquarium.
Tayo ng parking. Ayan, we're already here. So Vancouver Aquarium. Ayan. We're gonna go inside. Oh, excited si Primo. Ayun na.
There's more in there. We're on the other side.
Yo, what's that?
Right there. Go straight.
Wow. Primo, that's a big fish, Primo. Primo, what kind of fish is this? Primo, what kind of fish is that? Post is the way. That's a big fish, Primo.
It's little, Mommy.
Yes. Little jellyfish.
Okay, you stay here. Stay here. People right there. Stay.
There's the stingray, Primo, and there's the baby shark. There's Dory.
This way.
Treasure of the Pacific.
Go down from there. Gusto niya nang bumaba.
See, oh?
I want you.
Okay, where you wanna go? You wanna stand there?
Wait, come, give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Primo, they have a lobster there. High five the starfish. You.
Whoa.
Look. Whoa. That's a big seal, Primo.
They're swimming.
Yeah, where's the other one? Where did it go? Oh, look, it's there. Look, they're swimming. See? See?
Say hi.
Baby.
The otter.
Primo, look. Oh, wow. They're so fast. They're so... Asan na si Primo? Primo, it's there. Oh.
Primo, come. They're here. Let's go closer.
Oh.
Look at that.
Now, based on the information that I've given you there, does anybody want to guess how many times a day these guys get fed? Shout out your answers. It's less than 6. It's more than 4. It's 5. I knew you guys would get there eventually. 5 times a day that these guys get fed.
That's Arctic. Polar ice cap.
Push it down. It's gonna come down.
Come
down.
Oh, it's sweet, Primo. Look.
That's so
Okay, where do you wanna go?
Nandito kami sa Stanley Park. Nag-walking. Nandun si Mama, si Papa, tsaka si Primo. Oh. Eh, sabi ni Primo, I want to go in the shore. Oh. Ina na siya dun. Dinala ni Papa. I wonder if malamig yung tubig dito. Pero actually maganda tong park na to. Maraming nag-walking. Tingnan natin. gusto ni Primo eh. Masyadong water baby. Hala, sige. Pagod na siya mag-picture. Ganda ng mga condo na yun, no? Grabe. Vancouver is really nice. Whoa! Okay, watch out.
I make an arrow.
What are you making? Okay. Whoa!
I'm showing.
Here, what? Oh no, Popsy is already there now. Biyaan na to ni Popsy. Popsy is there, oh. Tara na. Let's go na. You're a what? Oh, this way na. This way, dali. Primo. Come na. Follow na, Mommy. Come. How about this way, Primo? Primo. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Okay. Let's go na. Surang tamo ma. Ito pa nga to. Naghaling Koranan. We're going to Santo, Canada Place dala. Parang same sa ano. Parang waterfront, no?
Harborfront.
Harborfront? Parang Harborfront. Tapos, driver ko. Primo is there. Yeah. We're here. Primo, that's a big boat. Picture sila.
May magkukrus na.
Wow, Primo. Laki ng cruise ship, oh. Yeah, next year.
Dali, kita ko pa.
Okay, wait, Primo.
Oh my God, Princess
Wait,
Roses.
wow.
Ano ba naging ni Ayan? Ano ba kung nasakyan ni Ayan?
Mo ba? Wait, Primo. Yes. Okay. Meron nga eh. Grabe. Manikang palma? Pakuya Ayan?
Oh.
Mo ba?
My God,
Pwede kami,
Popsy.
princess.
Biyahing ano yan, biyahing Leyte.
No, let's wait for Momsy and Popsy. Okay. You wanna ride the boat, Primo? You wanna go inside the boat? Grabe ang haba, oh, hanggang dun pa. I think kailangan ma-try mag-cruise din. Siguro next year. Sa, ano daw, April, May meron. So we can try a 5-day cruise. Kasi cheaper lang siya. May 700. Pero syempre, cruise lang yun, di pa kasama flight and all. Primo, watch where you're going. Wow, grabe. Laki talaga ng cruise ship. Ay, yung starboard, oh. Sa taas. Picture na naman ng parentals. Manang starboard man, oh.
May dalawa kami
See? There's the baby. Uh-oh. Ganda. Grabe, daming tao dito. Yun yung masarap na kainan.
We are
Chop.
in the beach, Daddy.
Yeah.
on the boardwalk.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the boardwalk. Map, iano mo kaya, ma? Look at the baby. Ayun, no? Laki ng barko. Diri, we're gonna go walk. Ang daming tao. Pa, diri, dayon ta pa, oh. See? Nah, nasa man ako. Ito. Si picture na pa sila. Sige, picture na mo. Ayaw na, kanina lang. Dili. Picture na pa sila. Tapos ang ganda dito kasi may mga kainan siya. Oh. Sige, pag live dira. Live ko sila iba. Ganda, oh. Yun, ang laki ng barko, oh. Primo, do you want gelato? Baka gusto ni Primo ng ano, Dada? Ice cream. I don't think so. Ang galing, oh. Andun may gasolinahan dun sa gitna. Siguro pa nga para sa mga ano yun. Sa mga seaplane. No, Primo. See, look at the plane, Primo. It's gonna take off. See, watch the plane. Takot sa araw, oh. See, look at the seaplane, Primo. Primo, stay here only, nak, Primo. Ayan, bata. No, don't go there. Only here. No. No, don't go there, Primo. Dada, tingnan mo si Primo, ah. Kaya mo lang. Palipad na siya. Ayan, we're here in Suite 7. Ano, Donnie? Is it good? Ang order ko is pomelo. It's actually good. Sana magkaroon nito sa Calgary or sa Toronto. Ayan, let's go. Suite 7.